All right, guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about Bitcoin and everything that's going on in China. Actually, also talk to you about Michael Saylor and his big Bitcoin purchase. And then we're going to go over the market. China has had a wide crackdown on Bitcoin farms. Now, this happens all the time, happens every year. I think that they put this news out, or they start doing this every time the market's going down so they could buy more Bitcoin. So I think a lot of people is just trying to get it to, when it's going down, they're trying to get it down as low as they can so they can purchase more. That's the name of this game right now. You're going to scare investors out, and the big boys are buying, all right? So let's get into the big boys that's buying. And guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel where we give you up-to-date information to keep you sane on a level playing field with your portfolio, because it's crazy out here if you're not listening to the right things and you're getting caught up with this news. So MicroStrategy just bought nearly $500 million worth of Bitcoin as prices fell. So this is just an example of big people are buying Bitcoin, Ethereum. They understand something and somebody's pushing it down. They're trying to make sure it go down so they could buy some more. So I'm predicting that we get to a point to where it's like a slingshot. And it's like it's going to get up to a point just like we seen in May with the 30,000. It dropped to 30,000 and then it went right up to 39. So MicroStrategy Inc. said Monday that it spent about $489 million in cash to buy an additional 13,005 Bitcoins for an average price about 37,617 cents per Bitcoin, including the fees. All right, so Bitcoin tumbled 9.3%, which put it on track for the lowest close in 4.5 months, and is now about 49% below its record close in April. Shares of the enterprise software in Bitcoin Play, which has said it uses Bitcoin as its primary treasury asset, dropped 7.5% in the market trading. The company said as of June 29, it had spent about $2.74 billion to buy 105,085 Bitcoin at an average price of $26,000. MicroStrategy stock has run up 66% year to date through Friday, while Bitcoin has advanced 11% and the S&P 500 0.3%. So this is just an example that the big guys are buying it, and don't fall for all of this FUD that's going around, okay? Bitcoin is a good asset, and we will see it change. In a few days, it will change, and later this year, you're gonna be kicking yourself if you didn't spend it's probably your last time right now of buying and buying some of these coins. All right, so let's take a look at the market. So in the last 24 hours, we know everything. The coin that hit the hardest was Dogecoin. Ooh. So, and not really. I mean, if you're looking at this thing in a short-term, day-by-day basis, and not what would it look like next year? Where are these stocks going to be next year? Because if they're going to be like 12 to 20 times more, none of this matters. Okay, so 16 is down. These are some good coins that you can get onto, especially Chili's is at 24 cents. Now we're going to see who did the best. You got Pirate Trade, DAI. Okay, looks like mostly stable. And then in the first hour, you got Pirate Chain and AMP. So, guys, the market is, the top coins in the last week is XDC and AMP. Okay, I told you guys I jumped into AMP. It didn't seem like it dropped that far, but this is how the market's shaking right now, guys. So, don't fall for all of the FUD. Remember, it's sharks in that water. And invest smart.